Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a simple confetti brush in Procreate. To start, tap on the plus sign and choose the square canvas. Now tap on the color swatch and double tap in the black area of the color disc to get black. Now get the monoline brush located in the calligraphy set and use the slider on the side of the screen to set the size and make sure the opacity is 100%. Now draw a large shape in the center of the canvas. I'm going to draw a diamond, but you can draw any shape that you want. And when you're done drawing the shape, you can hold your Apple Pencil down and then tap Edit Shape at the top of the screen to choose what shape you want. And then you can drag the nodes to modify the shape. Make sure you don't have any gaps in the shape because we want to fill it in with a color. So when you're done, drag from the color swatch into the shape to fill it with black. Okay, so now we're ready to make the brush. To do this, tap on the wrench, and then tap Add, and then tap Copy Canvas. Now scroll to the top of the brush library, and tap on the plus sign to create a new brush set. And give it a name like Confetti. And then tap on the plus sign in the upper right corner of the brush library to add a brush to this set. And under Shape Source, tap and hold on the Select Shape square, and then tap Paste, and this should paste your shape. And under Grain Source, tap Swap from Pro Library, and scroll down until you see the blank, and then tap on that. You may have to tap on Source at the bottom of the menu to get back to this screen. And then tap Invert Shape under Shape Source, and this should turn the background of your shape black and the shape white. Now tap on Stroke at the bottom of the screen, and increase the spacing. I'm going to make mine about 57%. And then increase the jitter. I'm going to make mine max. Now tap on Shape and increase the scatter. I'm going to make mine about 52%. But you can change these settings depending on how you want your confetti to look. And then increase the rotation as well. I'm going to slide the slider all the way to the right until it says Follow Stroke. And now toggle the randomize switch on. Now tap on Pencil at the bottom of this screen and increase the Apple Pencil pressure size. I'm going to make mine about 66%. And this will make the size of your confetti vary depending on your Apple Pencil pressure. Now tap Untitled Brush at the top of the screen and give your brush a name. I'm going to call mine Diamond Confetti. Okay, so now to test this brush out, create a new layer and turn off the visibility checkbox for layer 1. And then just draw some confetti on the canvas. And you can use the size slider on the side of the screen to change the size. And you can also see that the size will change based on your Apple Pencil pressure. And if you want to change the way that your confetti looks, just go back in and change some of the settings. Now I'll show you how to make multicolored confetti. One way to create multicolored confetti is simply to paint with multiple colors using the confetti brush. Another method is to tap on the confetti layer and then press Alpha Lock. Now get a brush such as the soft brush in the airbrushing set. Make sure the opacity is 100%, and then choose different colors and paint over the confetti. There are lots of ways to add texture to the confetti. One way is using a clipping mask. To do this, either draw your texture on a new layer or import an outside texture. Make sure that your confetti layer is below your texture layer. Then tap on the texture layer and press Clipping Mask. And this should fill your confetti with the texture. Now if you want to change the color of this texture, you can tap on the texture layer, and then tap on the Adjustments button, and tap Hue, Saturation, Brightness. And then drag the hue slider to change the color. And if you want to reset the color to the original color, just tap Reset. If you want to make the texture multicolored, create a new layer above the texture, then tap on the N and tap Color at the bottom of this screen, and then give it the Color Blend mode. Now choose a brush such as a soft brush located in the airbrushing set, choose different colors, and paint over the confetti. Once you're done, if you want to merge the layers together, tap on the top layer and press Merge Down, and this should merge the colors with the texture layer. Then tap on the texture layer and press Merge Down to merge the texture with the confetti layer. Now if you want, you can make more confetti brushes. Follow the same steps to draw a new shape. Create a new layer, get black for the color, get the monoline brush, and draw a new shape on the canvas. Then tap on the wrench and tap Copy Canvas. Now you can make your brush using the same settings as your first confetti brush. Just swipe left on your confetti brush and press Duplicate. Now tap on your duplicated brush, then tap Source at the bottom of the brush menu. Then tap and hold on the square under Shape Source, and then press Paste to paste your new shape. Now give your new brush a name and try it out. Now you can create lots of different kinds of confetti and layer it together. Thanks for watching!